Hello everybody,
Hi,
Stuart from The Promise.
and Kenny, also from The Promise.
We were asked a while back, no it was a while back and we do apologise for this, L. We were asked by a lady called Elle Pilkington to do a song called Latch by Sam Smith, the acoustic version. We were at the wedding fair in Manchester, Elle if you remember, and this is us finally getting round to doing it. So firstly, apologies for it being so late, and secondly, hopefully you'll enjoy it. So let us know what you think.
Let us know.
Cheers. Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. Latching on, babe, now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough, wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough, could I lock in your love? Latching on to you, I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your touch. How do you do it? Got me oozing every breath. What did you give me? Keep my heart beat out my chest. I feel we're close enough, I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough, could I lock in your love? I'm latching on to you. I'm latching on to you.